Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee Joe. I am one of the student representatives for the Far Western region this year, and I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the resources that are available to you as you prepare for convention, which is coming up so soon. I'm so excited. And this year, our spotlight author is Willa Cather. She lived in Pittsburgh for a while and wrote some of her most famous works while she lived there. And this year, her book, One of Ours, is our convention theme. I have the book here with me. It's about war and discovering yourself and the search for meaning. It's a really great book. And as student representatives this year, we've been working on creating book club kits for you all to help you study and understand books better and just come to convention super prepared. So the One of Ours book club kit includes themes from the book, and it has discussion questions and ideas for activities and service that you can do on your own or with your chapter. So yeah, I would encourage you to go check out all of the book club kits that we have. If you just Google Sigma Tau Delta book club kits, they will show up. We also have kits on writers that will be presenting to us while we're there at convention. There's so many writers that will be doing workshops and helping with writing and, answering questions. So I just wanted to let you all know that those resources are out there and you should utilize them, and you should read One of Ours. And yeah, I am so excited to see you all at convention this year.